Hey Sisi, it's Shandy again. So today, mag-unbox tayo ng Kodak Charmira Keychain Digital Camera back in 1987. Ito yung super nauso ngayon and may twist siya, mini camera na and blind box pa all in one. So nakaka-excite talagang i-open. Meron siyang 7 photo filters, black and white, cool tone, warm tone, pixel filter na yellow, red, blue, and gray. And may 4 photo frames din siya. So ito na yung mga possible colors na pwede nating makuha. Yellow, red, gray, white, black, and blue. And may secret edition pa. Ito yung clear color na nandito sa manual. Super excited talaga ako i-open ito. So ayan, na-open na natin. But ayan, disappointed ang ate mo girl kasi nakuha niya is color. Tada! Color gray. So, ang gusto ko kasi makuha is color yellow, red, or yung secret edition. Pero, cute din naman yung gray. Dito nakikipagpalit yung sister ko pero ayoko. Kasi ang nakuha color niya is color black. But this is a gift from her for my birthday. So, advance gift siya. But, super cute ng camera na to. Super cute ilagay sa bag natin and anytime pwede natin siyang pag-take ng photo na para ka bang nasa 1987. Super love it. So ayan, may charger port and SD card and may charger din siyang kasama and super I love it. Super cute ilagay sa bag natin. Bye!